in the title, it's about advancing institutional excellence. So that's our ultimate goal, is to basically to work better in the area of research management, but we also have a purpose of more individual purpose of career development of each of the participants, that have to do also with how we individually take on our job and how we see our position and how our position has influence in our institution and our ecosystem.
Yeah, so we went up and down in terms of broadness. So we started to understand the environment, understand the institution, understanding our role, and then move upwards. So how can we act to then provide or increase the excellence at the institutional level and at the ecosystem at the end?
So before the on-site sessions, participants had a mapping activity to fill out, so they needed to reflect on the challenges and where they fit inside the organization. And based on that, then we delve into the contents of the on-site sessions, and at the end they're also going to present us the action plan for improvement. And after the training program, it is also our goal that these research managers, when going to different institutions of the Alliance, they can put some of these learnings into practice.
I think it's important for them to have a time to think, to know each other, and to reflect on their daily tasks. This is also a very important goal for being all together in this training course.
And also to realize that as research managers, we play a role at the level of our services, but also we contribute to the excellence of our institutions and also to the whole ecosystem in which we are integrated, the research and innovation ecosystem.
Training is really a lot about utopia spirit, I think, because it's using the international experience and the international connections to improve the way we do things at our university. So it's even if it's focused on NOVA, the training, then it will be replicated in other universities. So it will have this international multiplier effect. Mm-hmm. But we also have the feedback of observers, international observers from all these universities. So I think it's a lot about utopia spirit, no?
Yeah, it's about understanding also that NOVA problems are also challenges of other institutions within Utopia, and NOVA solutions could be also the solutions to other, and vice versa. So we are all part of the same family, the Utopia family.